This one's gonna be a tough one, I think. We'll see. This one was brought to us by the Utah Off-Road Recovery Team. They're the Facebook guys that do it as volunteers. And I've met a couple of them, some pretty good guys. And Johnny came up and saw it, and he called me and said, hey, this is out of our wheelhouse. It's a little too much for us. So we were on a recovery out in Midway, and we just finished with it, and we just shot over from Midway to American Fork Canyon. This one's at Mary Ellen's Gulch. So I called Donnie, and he brought up the Blue Diesel, or as Kazi renamed it, the USS Ratchety. I kind of like it. We'll see if it sticks. Let us know in the comments if you guys like the nickname too. But USS Ratchety, kind of like it. We're gonna drop the tires real quick and head up.
I can't get out film. And now it's on camera. I can't get out. You got lots of room under the step. Step won't go up all of a sudden.
So there it is. You see it. There's a side-by-side. So that red bag up there is part of his personal items.
There's a window, and there's a bunch of trash and stuff all along. There's a back piece there. So we're gonna have to do a bunch of climbing up and down to pick up all the trash.
No, we'll drive up and climb down.
Or we'll send the gid.
Yeah. Once we get it up here,
then we can go around and clean up.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I mean, obviously the stuff that's on the way,
yeah,
this, that I can grab while I'm walking up and down, I'll grab. But
yep. Oh boy. Ripped all this completely off. Hey. Kids learning how to drive the drone FPV. Doing pretty good so far. Oh. That's good and straight. Come back a few feet and we can start pulling it up.
I'm gonna leave it there because if I come back, it's gonna twist.
If you only use the boom, that should be fine. The other one probably dragging the rocks there.
Yeah, but it'll be fine.
Just use that one as a safety.
Safety anyway.
Yeah, I was gonna say just leave it as a safety. It doesn't have to pull. The boom will do all that.
Okay, so we started winching. Hopefully you can see from the drone. So let me put you up here so you can see it better.
The strut's bolted on still with the limit strap, so it's just dragging behind it.
Yeah, this might actually work better because then when I pull up there, I can pull back in the front and I believe
and hook up, yeah. Yeah, steep. There's the Bronco.
Okay, I'm gonna pull forward.
Okay, I'm gonna come around to the other side.
Is your four-wheel drive working now?
No. It's not.
That looks good. Yeah, you're good. Keep it cranked and just go all the way around. You're good, just keep going. It's much heavier than it looks. So you just have to flip
grab
it.
that side.
Just have to flip it over. I was just standing right next to it. I was like, oh, I'll just grab that while I'm standing here. But it's still pretty heavy.
Okay, let's see how she does. Mine's pretty loose. I'd like to get mine a little tighter, but it's gonna work.
Okay.
So we can head down, and then if it gives a problem,
There. Perfect spot.
always have a wet rag in my truck because my glove box is always full of water.
That seems really odd.
Not like bottles of water.
No,
But like
just
you
full of
open it
water.
and it cascades out type water.
That seems really odd.
Because I have a tear in my roof. It just leaks.
Right into the glove box.
Right into the glove box.
But not for long.
Yeah, that's way better. Good thinking. Dad drug the roof pieces all the way down to the road clear down there. And then he's over there. Mom's picking him up. Fly the drone down and pick him up?
So, with the drone. So, this one ended up being kind of on the easier side of our recoveries.
Yeah, we were expecting it to be a little bit tougher than that, but that's okay.
Easy's good.
It's still light.
Where we winched from is not where he rolled from, though. He rolled from way up there.
Yeah, so
And
he ended up there. We winched from here, but he started way up there. Let's see. Right up there.
so hopefully you can see from the drone shot. Maybe we can have Steve pause the drone shot and draw a line of where he went off and stuff. But yeah, this was a pretty easy recovery, but a very, very nasty roll. So this cage held up a little better than the last one, although he didn't go down as far as the last guy did. But these side-by-side roll cages are not made for this. They are not safe. They are not secure, and you definitely need to not put your trust in these. They are made for rolling over once on flat ground, and that's it. They do not hold up to stuff like this. The guy's
Rolling
lucky.
over, not flipping over and over and over and over.
So please don't put your faith in side-by-side roll cages, because they're not strong.
Yeah, they're not like an Ultra 4 car or anything like that.
Yeah. So this kid is lucky. I say kid, I don't actually know how old he is.
28.
He's a kid.
28. Yeah, he's a kid.
He's a kid, even by my standards. So he's lucky. He's lucky, but definitely had angels watching out for him, and I'm glad that he's all right. Are you okay with listing what happened, like injuries and stuff?
Yeah, he got his head cut in 5 or 6 places in the top of his head, and then across his eye, going up through the eyebrow, and it was about that wide.
Pretty deep.
Is he wearing a helmet?
No.
Yeah.
And
typically people don't, because they
yeah.
come up on a mountain road and they have a roll cage. Most people don't wear helmets.
And
So
he's got a bunch of rash from the harnesses.
At least he was wearing that.
Yeah.
yeah, well, if he wasn't wearing his harness, he'd have got flung.
Yeah.
That would have been
I
really
seriously
bad.
doubt he would have made it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
So-
I was picking stuff up that was clear over there, so it was flown way
Yeah.
out.
Flinging stuff all over the
Yeah.
place as it came down.
Yeah, I'm totally amazed. It's worse than what I even thought it would be.
It's pretty steep. You
Yeah.
can't tell from the pictures, and these guys aren't going to be able to tell from
Yeah.
the video.
GoPros
how
level
actual steep
everything
these are,
out.
Yeah.
But this whole area is incredibly steep.
Yeah.
These draws are snowmobile runs that people can only make when they have like NOS and super built snowmobiles. Otherwise, they can't come up.
Yeah.
So
That rock stopped him, I'm pretty sure. He would have went all the way to the bottom.
he was down on that one.
Yeah, the other rock over there. Yeah.
But I think it was actually this that slowed him down. And
Yeah,
then he
through
got a
right
little more
here.
momentum, and then in the gully he stopped again.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, from there to there is not going to be much of a roll. The worst part was that.
Yeah,
So definitely lucky to be alive.
for sure.
So be careful when you're driving out there. Make sure you go out and adventure, have fun, and do your thing. This is public land. I mean, this technically is private land, but the mountains are Forest Service and BLM, and they're public land, and they're made for us to go have fun in. So go out, recreate, have fun, but just please be careful. Please know your vehicle, and if you're not very experienced and don't know how to tell when to stop and where to go with a group. Go with people that are a little more experienced. We go out once a month. You guys can come out with us and gain some experience. But this is for all of us to enjoy, and we all should enjoy it. So don't let stuff like this scare you. Go out and have some fun. Just be careful. We like to see recoveries. We don't like to see accidents and injuries.
And it's a testament to wear your seatbelts, wear a helmet. If it looks super sketchy, turn around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it looks super sketchy, it is super sketchy.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
Okay, well, let's go down and pick up the rest of the garbage. So you got everything from this hillside, you feel like?
Yeah.
And
I'm gonna go knock down that rock.
we pretty much got everything from down here.
Well, we're pulling out good, so don't.
Careful. Really tracks.
We're around the corner very nicely. It looks okay. Keep going.
I'm hanging off the edge.
Can't back up anymore. Don't go back anymore.
I have to, I'm off the edge.
Okay, let me come up there because the
I didn't need much, I just needed a little bit.
yeah, it just the sling was jammed so far hard into the tire, it was gonna start damaging things.
Yeah, we don't want any damage.
Yeah, it might be worth pulling that arm and driving over it, straightening it out.
Well, I was actually thinking if I go around from that way and go under the trailing arm and then under here and hook to it, it might pull it down.
Maybe.
Do you have a big pry bar
I
that
don't
we
know
could
what I have.
stick in there and pry on it while we're doing that? So I'd have to come all the way over to where my bumper's against the tire and the body, but then going under and hooking to it might pull down.
Maybe we should have sent somebody over and checked on that 4Runner. They
Up-
still haven't moved.
Up there. It might be in the mine. I don't remember. I don't think the mine goes all that far.
Oh yeah.
Does it?
It's got like 7 chutes.
Oh, well,
Probably 400 or 500 yards.
they're probably spelunking then. Might be able to fit that one in the front section
Yeah,
here.
that's what I was thinking. That one's just too big. It
Yeah.
wasn't gonna go in.
Grab that piece.
Yeah. Well, we could try to straighten it if it gets real bad. Hanging off of edges and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't think there's many.
Right now it just tracks about 2 feet, 2.5 feet to the right.
You remember
But
the section of that road that's, I'm gonna be right on the edge.
yeah.
That's gonna be off. We might, well, maybe we'll just hook your winch to it
And just hold it.
and just go slow.
Or even the 10-footer and just keep it drug
Yeah.
over or something. We'll watch it. Go farther to the left so that right rear doesn't drop into that ravine. Probably have to be completely out off the road on the left side. It's in the ravine. Keep coming, just like you are. It's coming on. It can come this way, but it's walking its way over. Looks good. Keep coming. Keep coming, just like you are. Looks good. A little more right there. That's good. I'll put it in gear. Put it down around deep on it.